Wait, be careful because you might break it.
Oh, they don't shout. What the fuck am I going to do? I'm not going to sleep in here. Oh, fuck. I can't.
Why don't they close? Is there a screen on them?
No.
We've got to ring room service. Oh, there you go.
Far out. I hate things like that.
Me
I
too.
really do hate